Hello to all you Stardust souls, and welcome to another episode of Infinite Minds. For decades, astronomers believed that one thing was as certain as death and taxes. The Milky Way and our neighboring Andromeda galaxy were on a crash course. Destined to collide in less than 5 billion years, that galactic smash-up would spark massive star formation, scatter stars like cosmic billiard balls, and possibly throw our sun into a whole new orbit. But now, that future may not be so certain. Thanks to fresh data from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and ESA's Gaia mission, researchers have rerun the numbers, and they're telling a different story. Astronomers ran 100,000 computer simulations using the most precise data available today. The results? There's only about a 50% chance of a collision happening within the next 10 billion years. That's right, there's now a decent chance the Milky Way and Andromeda will simply pass by each other. No cosmic fireworks, no galactic pileup, just a long, swirling orbital dance. Why the change? This new study factors in not just the main galaxies, but also their massive satellite companions, like the Large Magellanic Cloud and M33. These smaller galaxies tug and twist the larger ones, disrupting the neat two-body collision model we once relied on. In fact, the Large Magellanic Cloud's gravitational pull might even guide us away from Andromeda. So, the universe may be saving us from a collision we were never going to witness anyway. After all, Earth becomes uninhabitable in about 1 billion years due to the sun's heat, and the sun itself burns out in 5. But hey, you never know. Someone might still be around. Andromeda and the Milky Way may, or may not, eventually collide at the end of their orbital dance. But the uncertainties in the simulations means we just can't say one way or the other. While the fate of our galaxy remains uncertain, one thing is clear. The universe is more complex and more surprising than we ever imagined. We hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you very much for watching another Infinite Minds episode. We are building a new community here. If you'd like to support the channel and see more content like this, clicking the like button and subscribing is a wonderful way to do so. As always, take care and stay healthy. Talk to you in the next video.